After using Brita filters for close to 5 years, I switched to Waterdrop 6 months ago. And I've been using this filter every day for the past 6 months, and I honestly don't really see myself going back. And I will tell you every reason why, but I want to take things in order starting from when it arrived. It was well packaged and sealed. A good wash is still recommended by the manufacturer, so use mild detergent and naturally don't put it in the dishwasher. It comes with one filter that will be inside, and the pitcher is all plastic, so that's something to be aware of. Before putting the filter in, you'll want to remove the stickers and soak it in cold water for 10 minutes. I live in a state where they chlorinate the tap water to pretty much the highest level allowed by law, and I can really tell the difference between filtered water and tap. I figured out it needed to be changed because one day my coffee tasted off and the next day it tasted like straight chlorine. So I checked the light and sure enough it was time for a filter change. So after 10 minutes of soaking, it's time to place the filter in the housing. First, hold down the change filter light till it blinks to set it. And here we have the first reason I switched to Waterdrop. See, their filters have a nice rubber seal going around the edge of the filter. That gives it a nice seal so no water gets past the filter. Brita, on the other hand, doesn't. It uses a plastic on plastic ridge to seal, and in my experience it doesn't always work, especially if you have hard water. The second reason is the flow rate. The Waterdrop is much faster since the filter is way larger. Also, make sure you run and discard at least 2 full pitchers before using. By the way, this is the flow rate you should be seeing. If it drips like this, you need to take the filter out and shake it side to side to evenly spread the internal components out so you get the proper flow. And the last reason I made the permanent switch is the replacement filter cost. Waterdrop filters are made to last 200 gallons, and they do last about that much from what I've seen so far. Brita ones are made to last 40 gallons. And while at first glance it may seem cheaper to buy 4 Brita filters than 3 Waterdrop filters, I did the math at the current prices right now on both, and if you buy them on Amazon, it comes to about 13 cents per gallon of filtered water for Brita and only 6 cents for Waterdrop. So I would say this pitcher and filter system is definitely worth considering.